Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to copy the link for a particular post on Instagram using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Instagram, and content that we have posted to the account. We can start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari in this case. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to Instagram.com. We can use a shortcut within our bookmarks. Wait for that to load and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Go to profile. Select a particular post. Top right corner, 3 dots, click on this. Now let's click on copy link. Link copy to clipboard. Now what we will do is open up a new tab or go to file, private window, accept all, command V to paste within the URL, within the search engine, allow all the cookies, and there we have it. We have copied that particular link, pasted into a new web browser, opened that particular link up, and there we have the post on screen. We can now quit Safari. And so that's all for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.